Hello friends, welcome back to another brand new video. So you might be feeling a little amazed because I just uploaded a post I think a day ago. So I said that I won't upload video till my exams are over, but today I had a great day, so I thought of making a video. So what was a great day? Let me tell you. So today I went to watch a movie Narsimha. That was an animation movie and it was superb. So today I'm going to explain my own words. So let's begin. Once upon a time, when a saint used to live, his wife wanted a son. So at night, he said he want the son. The gifting of son is not good because all the law, all the demons, devils, and all go to what? They go to Lord Shiv in the sky. So, but she wanted at that time only. Then after, so yeah, I think after days, he said that now you have two demon child. Yes, and when they were born, they were very, very, very naughty and very powerful at that time. Like a new child born, so he stayed in that bed only. But they were walking and running and fighting. Yes, and they were running faster than me even. So what happened that after a few years, they get very great black magic spells, so they get very powerful. What happened that everyone was very transcendental to Lord Vishnu and they do devotee of Lord Vishnu. So what happened that they decided to kill every human being who do devotee of Lord Vishnu. So what happened that his brother, smaller, they were twins by the way. So a little weaker brother, well, you know what he said that, hey Vishnu, come on, let's fight. But before he kidnapped Mother Earth. So Lord Vishnu came. Then they have a fight. Lord Vishnu took a what boar avatar, which we also call avatar. What you call? Let's. So Lord Vishnu took avatar of boar, and then went there to save what? Save Mother Earth. So the little weaker brother, they have a very great fight. Yeah. So yeah, the boar avatar has killed. Yes, he is having a brother, and he smashed in his face. His eyes were out. So after his death, the person, yeah, he was very powerful, and he said to himself that I should go and do a lot of tapasya. So he went into the mountains, did tapasya, very hard, brutal tapasya. His half body, like till here, it was covered with stones. Yes, for many seasons he have did tapasya. Yes, of Lord Brahma. So you know what? He got a vardhan that he can't be killed inside house, outside house. He can't be killed near nor day nor night. He can't be killed by a animal or by a human. He can't be killed by a astra or shastra. So what happened that after they do very cruelty to all the Lord Vishnu devotees. So what happened that he has a son named Prahlad. Okay, so when he was doing tapasya, so his wife was took by Lord Indra, warrior god. So what happened that after Narayan gave the Gyan to Lord Indra, so what happened that Lord Narayan took the Narayan took the what demon's wife Hiranyakashyap to his what society. So what happened that he said that for a woman who is having a child, so she should do what naming of Lord Vishnu a lot and lot. She should chant a lot and lot. So when the child born, he should be very great. So what happened that she did same. Yes, she was in what bhakti of Lord Vishnu. So after that man, he was born. So you know what, he was very soft. He was a demon, and his friend always tolerated him. His friend always tolerated the birds, what he used to say. So what happened that after a few days, what happened? The Prahlad, his name was Prahlad, the son's name. So what happened that he told to his father that your Lord Vishnu is supreme personality of Godhead. He is nothing. He's he's the greatest person. And you know what? The Hiranyakashyap and the Lord Vishnu were enemies. Yes, he considered his the Lord Vishnu enemy, Hiranyakashyap. So what happened that he said that gave him some good gyan of my only, because he tell to everybody that I am the god from now onwards. And you know what? He has trapped all the demigods in the Indra and all the gods. Okay. So what happened that after the second time also when he didn't get, he said to Prahlad to get the what? He was sentenced to the death. So first death was, it was that the warriors or you can say the soldiers, used to will have a axe and chop down the head of Prahlad. But what happened that when a wild demon came, when he just hardly threw the axe into the Prahlad, he was saying Om Namo Vasudevaya Namah. So he created a invincible shield Lord Vishnu created, and the axe went inside the demon's head. And then after the what warriors fought with him, but their spear has broke and they were dead. The soldiers were dead because the spear has went inside him, and then rest in peace. So what happened that after second death was that he was what he had been sitting in his aunt's lap, and he was sentenced to death, and he was set to fire. Yes, he was set to fire. And Prahlad's buas, yes, she was Holika. So we already know why we celebrate Holika. So this was the same story, but let me tell you who do not know. So what happened that she got a vardhan that she will never burn in what she will never burn in fire for her self defense only. The Pashu, what we call that, yeah, the demon king, yes, he said that, see, if he is born, he is affecting more people of to get the bhakti of Lord Vishnu. So don't you think that he will take a obstacle in the demon's race? So she said, oh, yes, you are right. So she said in a very great fire, and then she burned. The Vardhan went to Prahlad. Yes, so she burnt into ashes. The Prahlad said that my Bua will burn. Please do not sentence her to death. I am going alone to to the woods. Don't kill her. But they never listened. You know what? He was so soft-hearted and all that he didn't hate to his father even after so much cruelty. So what happened that then the third step was to throw him from the we can say ditch high. Yes, from a very great mountain. So before he was pushed into the valley, what happened that he said that it's your kartavya to do, it's your work to do, or the king will be very angry. So he speaks some golden words to two demons, and they were so so heartfelt that they just did like this and then push. They were emotional, and they said that let's took the Prahlad's body. Then when they get down, he was saved. Yes, he was saved by Lord Air. So they the demons also said Om Namo Vasudevaya Namo. Then the Hiranyakashyap Guru and one soldier took him to near Norway, I think, because Aurora rights were there. So ocean was there. Okay, so they were saying that let us throw him off the ocean. So he was also tied with a very powerful snake. So when he was falling, Garuddev came. Yes, Lord Eagle, obviously incarnation of Lord Vishnu avatar. So he saved Prahlad again. Now he was at the coast, and he then did darshan, or we can see he did obviously darshan he did of Lord Vishnu, and said that I will be what I'll be seeing you in everything, whether in non-living or living. So when he returned to his kingdom, everybody was happy, even the demons, but not the father. So he said that, oh, your Lord Vishnu lies everywhere. So if I beat this pole and your Lord Vishnu do not came, I will myself cut chop off your head from my Ashtra Shastra. So when he broke the pillar, whole Mahal break and Narsimha came out. Yes, when Narsimha came out, they have a very great fight. And you know what? Narsimha took a very great, Lord Vishnu took a very great incarnation. And then he grew in his full size, Hiranyakashipu, and went to galaxy. Then he saw the maximum size of Lord Vishnu. He was this much in Lord Vishnu's hand. Then he put him down the what? To the earth, and then Narasimha did his job. He went outside nor inside. He went in entrance. It was sunsetting time, and he said, the Hiranyakashipu said, you can't kill me. And outside the home, inside the home, in the morning, in the night, by Ashtrashastra, nor human or nor animal can kill me. He said, I'm not a human nor a animal. I'm Narsim, means human lion, both. And these are not Ashtra Shastra, these are my claws. They are not living or not they are living. and he said that this is entrance, not inside house or not outside, and this is sunset, not morning nor night. Then he, you know what, took all he teared the his stomach, and he threw the small intestine, large intestine, and then heart, and then he smashed the heart. So what happened that after he smashed the heart, he was very, you know what, we can say he was very crazy at that time. He was breaking everything. Then Prahlad came to her and said, please God, please calm down. And then finally he came down. So it was all about today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so please like and subscribe, and until then, bye bye. And Narasimha is a very good movie, you should also see.